Gorkhe Haat, a farmers market that is held in town every Sunday at Acropolis Mall between 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., is the latest buzz in town, and for very good reason. So, a few Sundays ago, I decided to check it out for myself what the market is all about, and since then, it has become my weekend ritual to visit the place, watch the whole place come alive with music, people, and loads of good food. Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Meher. Today I'm exploring Siliguri Gorkhe Haat. I was trying to film the intro outside, but then they started playing like rap music, and I'm honestly filming the intro at the end of my vlog. It was so sunny and so crowded when we had entered. So I just had to wait it out. Came here finally to explore Siliguri Gorkhe Haat. I had been wanting to come here and explore for such a long time, but every weekend something or the other used to come up. They have such a beautiful selection of local handicrafts and artisanal products, and even like a lot of handmade food items. They have momo, they have laughing, they have like wachipa, they have a lot of like fried stuff, kurkure, momo, and everything. So I think for the weekends it's a lovely place to come here, and the community comes alive. Everyone comes together and they're selling stuff, like interacting with people. You'll make a lot of friends while talking to the people who are selling their products. So it's just a lovely experience overall, and I am so happy that I got to experience this finally. I think I'm gonna come here more often now. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
दलिया
Kundru,
गुन्द्रुक कालो दाल पहेँली दाल मस्याम दाल सत्तु छ सानाको मिक्सको कोदो फापर
अच्छा
मकैको चामल बस्तीको चिउरा फिलुङ्गे सिलाम दार्जिलिङको चियापत्ती
ये क्या है? फिलूंगे
फिलुङ्गे
ये
सिलाम इसको चटनी
चटनी बनाते हैं।
खाना के साथ इसकी चटनी इसलिए खाया जाता है पहाड़ों में ताकि गैस्ट्रिक ना हो, खाना अच्छी तरह से डाइजेशन हो। चटनी खाया इसलिए जाता है कि मतलब हाँ इंडाइजेशन ना हो, अच्छे से खाना पचे, डाइजेशन एसिड फॉर्म ना हो, इसलिए इसका चटनी खाया।
अच्छा गुंदरुक है।
गुन्द्रुक, राई साग का सूप पीते हैं, इसका चटनी खाते हैं।
मस्याम दालो अच्छा
ये बेलों में लगता है ना मशरूम दाल, इसको ठीक राजमा जिस तरह से बनाया जाता है उसी तरह से बनाया जाता है। प्राइस 100।
They have
120 का
भुट्टा का
खेतों में होता है
दलिया
पहाड़ में।
also. ये काली दाल। हाँ कालो दाल है। Succulents. There's a bookstall as well. I think there's full of Nepali literature. Found her place. ये बारिश में रेनी सीजन में होगा। We have dalle dips.
Dale dip, dale
There's
vinegar,
uh,
dale bamboo, dale gundru, dale paste.
this is dalle paste also.
40. 40 rupees, 30 rupees.
Achha, that is that Kalimpong. हाँ that's the.
ये 80. मीठा है, बहुत मीठा है ये 30। हाँ
They have a lot of like fruit squashes as well. There's kiwi squash, orange squash, lychee squash. And here there's like more powders and stuff. And I see a lot of like kapse and pickles and everything. kapse है ये? kapse है? kapse? अच्छा उसके ऐसे अच्छा butter cookies. Okay. They have a lot of pickles as well. They keep sausages as well. There's churpi, kinema.
किनेमा यो पनि किनेमा हो यो डल्ले हो
Oh,
यो ताँबा बेम्बू हो
There's bamboo shoot and some noodles as well. Bamboo shoot. What? It's a matted type, no?
और लिविंग रूम फ्लावर वास एंड हॉट पॉट्स बनाने के लिए
I think there's like some organic cosmetics and soaps, etc. No, these are dried lemon rinds, I guess. These are also gooseberry rinds. Fresh produce. So there's like mushrooms, dalle, more gundruk. And you have like a lot of like food stalls. We obviously had to start our food exploration with laughing, and it's wild to think that laughing is actually more popular in Delhi than it is here, thanks to Majnu Ka Tila. A lot of people don't actually love it because they find it too spicy, like my mom, but I love it. And if you do too, then Gorkhe Haat is your place. Sale roti here and khambi. Okay, all veg. They have wachipa here. Here there's kurkure. We are almost at the end. There's the like at the last leg of the heart. Sekwa. It's grilling meat. So hot today. We are at the end of the heart. It's so hot and so smoky and so crowded here. And we have taken a tour around the place. Now I think we're gonna go. We're gonna try something. We ordered one of this cheese corn dog. I'm gonna try the corn dog. It's gonna be super hot. It's super cheesy and like little sweet and everything. Thank you. Next up, I'm trying their buff momo. Even the achar is like so good. When I see buff momo, I cannot stop myself. Having millet momo here. Trying the Kodoko momo next. Millet momo. We found an earlier shop as well, but they were selling it in veg. We wanted to try it in chicken variety, so we are here. Let's see how it is. It does have a strong like that earthy kind of millet taste, but the momo in itself is quite good. I liked it. How like it? But millet এর একটা টেস্ট আছে না? টেস্ট থাকলেও ময়দার সাথে মানে খুব খারাপ লাগছে। So full from eating, not backing down. My mom is packing some sale roti. Believe me when I say this, this auntie makes the best sale roti ever. And I tried the sal roti and aloo dum and this mutter salad kind of thing. I don't know the name of it. If anyone can just tell me, please write it down in the comments below. And it was so yum. Every time I go to the Heart, I always bring back sal roti from her. ये क्या है? ये वाला? Buttermilk. So a lot of people try wachipa. I want to try wachipa. Wachipa was on my food bucket list for a very long time. It's a Kirat dry dish made of rice and a powder made of burnt chicken feathers, giving it a bitter smoky flavor. It's a special ceremonial dish where the bird is offered in an animistic ritual, and I love how food and nature are both worshipped and respected here, where you see every part of the animal is used, and that in turn reduces waste. Sustainability has always been at the forefront amongst people living in the mountains. Let's try the wachipa. I've never had this. This is my first time trying it. They have liver in it. I don't like liver, so I'm skipping those. There's a smoky kind of flavor. ये तिम्बूर है क्या? ये दीजिए ना 50 का 50 का दीजिए ना. सिस्नो ना नेटल ना. इसका क्या नाम है? चिंगबिंग बोलते हैं. चिंगबिंग. ओके. कैसे खाते हैं इसको? गैस एसिडिटी जो होता है. अच्छा. ये कितना है प्राइस? इसका 30 रुपीस. ऑर्गेनिक घी ऑल्सो. ये याक का घी है या नॉर्मल घी? काऊ का घी है. ओके ओके. ये चेडार वैरायटी है. हाँ जी चेडार ही है. They have a lot of like handicraft and different jewelries and everything. These are from the hills. They have like more pickles and some t-shirts that This particular brand probably prints them themselves. Here they have like buff pickle, chicken pickle, fish pickle. This particular bag is so pretty. इसका प्राइस क्या है?
1500
1500.
सीफूड का है
Ah,
ये प्योर सीफूड
अच्छा. ये कहाँ पे
exclusive
बन? ओके.
ये भूटान का
भूटान से आया है. ओके.
रॉनर सीफूड
हाँ.
वाटरप्रूफ है
ओके.
टोटली वाटरप्रूफ
अच्छा. Some local bakery made like cookies and cakes, everything. Cream rolls and everything.
Like the Gorkha Hat concept is usually given by it's originated in the hills, and there is one sir known as Naren Tamam who is brought up, clubbed in everyone for this art, and I think now it's also opened in some restaurants and all in Darjeeling.
Okay, okay.
So this has been, just previously it was in BVR Tower, but now we are shifted to Acropolis.
Right, right. And what about like this? Do you deliver at home? And
Yes, we have a home delivery system, and like I can.
yeah.
So this is like Neora Valley honey we have,
Mm-hmm.
and this is Sikkim honey we have,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the spring honey.
Oh wow, this one. Why is this one so light? Like
But
it's
because this is usually like it has less, the density is less,
Okay.
and it's only in the spring season, and also it's a multi-floral honey.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much. And what are the prices of it? Like,
Ma'am, this we are actually offering a discount.
Okay.
It's a monsoon discount out here. So like this is for 300, but now we are offering it at 270.
okay.
And this is a premium honey, so we are not coming down.
Mhm.
This is like 350,
Mm-hmm.
and this one we have 350 again, but we are coming down to 295.
Okay, okay. And all organic now.
It's very organic.
Uh-huh.
Like as you can see, this is from Sikkim. So the Sikkim honey is, it's the organic.
Yeah.
And another one, Neora, and spring is from Neora Valley.
Okay, okay. By the end of it all, we were returning home armed with a lot of produce. These spinach noodles are my absolute favorite, and I also got some meatballs, so I'll definitely try out some recipe videos. And also, it was super hot that day, so we had to end with a soft serve. How many of y'all love soft serve over other frozen desserts? Soon as dusk sets in, they also play live music, which is such a great way to encourage and bring forward local talent. And I'm sure the Heart would be so amazing to visit during the winters as opposed to summers, knowing how crazy summers get in Siliguri these days. Yeah, that was my vlog for Gorkha Hat. If you guys are a regular here, please let me know in the comments down below which food do you like coming here for, or what are the other things that you like to purchase when you're at the Heart, or if you have been to the Heart by now or not. I would love to know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts, and be back for more such content. Bye bye, take care. And today I'm exploring. Today I'm